Bet you didn't know iron oxide pigments come in liquid form, right? Want to learn how to make soap without all the fuss? No mixing powders, no clumps, no wasting half a day? Spend time on that. We have 6 different lines pigments for soap. Today I'll give you a quick overview of our liquid, non-bleeding, mineral, vegan, eco-friendly, alkali-resistant pigments for soap from scratch and soap base, Oxidessa. Let's start with the basics. What are mineral pigments and oxides? It's almost the same. Oxides are metal combined with oxygen. For example, iron oxide gives soap red or brown colors. Titanium dioxide gives white. Mineral pigments in the general term, it includes oxides and the other inorganic colorants. They can come from natural minerals or be made in the lab. The important part is they're safe and gives rich colors. In soap making, when people say mineral pigments, they usually mean oxides. They don't fade, don't bleed in, don't mix with other layers. The colors stay sharp. Iron oxide pigments is mineral pigments made from iron oxides. They come from natural minerals like hematite, limonite or magnetite. They then be ground, cleaned and processed to be safe for cosmetics. It's not synthetic, it's a recycled natural minerals. The main advantage is reliability. The colors are bright and long-lasting. The pigment doesn't bleed in, fade or dissolve. It's safe and non-allergenic. How to use dry pigments? There are some tricks. You cannot just add dry pigments to soap, it will clump. You need to mix it first, usually with glycerin, water or oil, until it forms a smooth suspension. Then mix well, a blender works best. Add a little at a time, too much can color the foam. Or maybe don't make it complicated. Dry pigments take work. Mix, stir, be careful not to add too much. But liquid pigment, just a few drops and you are done. Even if you are new, choose the easy and professional way. Save time, enjoy making soap. We created Oxidessa, liquid, cosmetic, iron oxide pigment. They don't migrate, don't bleed in and resist alkali. Plus, they are vegan and eco-friendly. Difference between dye and pigment. There are many dyes and pigments. To keep it simple, dyes bleeding, pigments don't. If you make layered soap with dye, colors might bleed, edges get blurry, soap look cloudy, especially if you ignore the recipe. Pigments don't do that. They're stable, then don't bleed in, don't migrate. You can make clear layers, patterns and details. You can mix our pigments from any line. If you want simple one-color soap, use dye, even food one. Color well, cheap and simple. But if you want sharp colors, stability and professional look, go with pigment. We make pigment especially for soap making. They are stable and colors never let you down. Plus, the price are well. We have many colors and shades, so picking one can be tricky, especially if you are new. Don't worry, start with primary palette. Want something unique? Look through all shades and find your perfect color. The palette is huge, with all primary colors including black and white, plus lots of shades. By the way, you can use white color to clean the soap base. White color we have only in Klaria line. When choosing colors, check them on different devices – computer, phone, tablet. Even ask your family. Different screens show colors differently. Just turn off any yellow screen filter if it's on. Oxidessa have 42 colors. Main colors are red, yellow, blue, green, brown and black. Brown shades are especially rich and varied. Also 11 shades of green and brown, 7 blue, 4 red and yellow, 3 soft pinks and a black one called Gothic. Depending on how much you use pigment, the color change. I'll explain that later. You choose the exact shade you want by amount you add. Oxidessa pigments are liquid, cosmetic, water-based, non-migrating, non-bleeding, and perfect for both hot process soap and cold process soap, glycerin soap and soap from scratch. Vegan, eco-friendly, you know it. They are liquid, so no wasting time mixing dry pigments powders. They don't smell, so you can save on fragrance oils. Add a few drops without overpowering scent. They don't freeze or melt, so you can get steady quality all year round no matter where you live. Colors resist alkali, so don't run or mix soap layers. Works great in clean or white bases. White bases make colors a bit pastel. Use it in your designs. You can also color clear base with our Klaria white pigment. It's work with shampoos and other rinse-off products. Very economical, just few drops, depends on size of soap. And depends how much you need color intensity. Ingredients: pigment, water, glycerin. Made in Slovakia, European quality. Important: there are maybe some sediment or color separation in bottle. It won't happen with your soap. Shake well bottle before use. Our pigments don't cause mold. We test them in many conditions for a long time. The pigment alone and in soap, a different amount. Your soap are safe, don't worry. Your customers pay for quality and safety. What do you use to color your soap? If you want a reliable supplier, let's talk. Your customers want quality. You can't risk unstable suppliers. You want answers now. I've been in this business for over 13 years. I know how hard to find a good supplier, to find a good partner. We offer high stable product quality, no minimum orders, fast shipping, special prices for business, lower than our website, worldwide shipping. Email me for the catalog. We want to be your trusted supplier. Usually reply with 2 hours. We have MSDS documents and can send samples, so you see for yourself there are the best pigments you can find. You will enjoy working with us. See our website arisa.fun or our Etsy partners Slovakia Colors or search for 100 Oxidessa or email me tutifarba@gmail.com. Besides soap pigments, we have silicone molds, candle pigments, pigments for plaster and jasmonite, for A1 and sand wax candela sand, bath bomb dyes and more. Next video we will cover our soap flowers pigments. Orisa. Tag us in social media, Instagram, TikTok. Don't forget subscribe and like, left a comment. See you in the next video. Be bright!